I'm about to take our clothes to the laundry next door, and it's very convenient. So this is what it looks like. So I'm on my way back now, and it weighed 5.63 kilos. It was 95 pesos. So just to explain what the process was like, I took the clothes over there. They had a scale. I was greeted by one of the workers. They weigh it, price it out based on the weight, of course. And then she asked me for my name, wrote it down on the invoice, calculated the price, I paid, and then she told me what time to come back. So I mean, it can't get any more easier than that, right?
Darian just picked up our laundry from the lavanderia, and everything comes. Huh?
Lavanderia.
I said lavanderia, boo. Yeah, everything comes folded, so that's one less thing you have to worry about. Buenos. Stand by. I probably didn't press it good enough. What are you doing?
No gracias.
No gracias. No gracias. Didn't want to do an mole.